Schools across America are facing new challenges, new requirements, and a new normal. Whether remote or hybrid, eventually we will all have to get safely back to learning. Ensuring the safety of those in your care is more vital than ever before. To adapt to this changing environment, SafetyCulture is offering iAuditor Premium completely free to all schools in the US this academic year. iAuditor is the world's leading platform for workplace safety and enables you to conduct detailed mobile inspections across all levels of your schools, so you can reduce risk, ensure compliance, and effectively carry out safety protocols. We're taking what we've learned for the past 13 years in high-risk environments and putting that experience to use to help the nation's schools. The same easy-to-use technology that is trusted by workers in the most dangerous jobs is now available to help protect teachers and students. iAuditor is intuitive, adaptable, and runs on any mobile device or tablet. We've pre-populated school accounts with checklists built from the CDC guidelines, and you can customize them further to suit your needs. A real-time data dashboard shows the status of conditions and cleaning activities and can be accessed by parents and teachers. It's easy to get started. Your free iAuditor account will come preloaded with CDC guidelines for school reopening, transportation, food prep, classroom disinfecting, and more. If you need any help, you can always access iAuditor's friendly 24-hour support team via phone, chat, or email. Your school leaders have already put in a tremendous amount of work. Now let us help you raise your school safety game every day. Let's get students across the US safely back to school and safely back to learning. Visit this link today to activate your free iAuditor Premium account.